Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. We completed, we are in lesson 4 and we completed the grammar part. Now we are going through the text. Faire et prendre au présent. Faire, you know these two verbs. I conjugated for you, you know the meaning, everything. Faire, to do, et and prendre, to take. Au présent, in the present tense, plus questions, plus questions. The title is Vous faites du sport? Vous faites du sport? Do you play sport? Deux joggeurs dans un parc public. Deux joggeurs dans un parc public. Jogger means jogger, a person who does the jogging, like this man in the picture. Two joggers dans un parc public, in the public park. It's a conversation between these two people, Mario et Renaud. Mario says, Vous faites souvent du jogging? Faire du jogging. Here I wrote for you, faire du jogging means do the jogging. Souvent means often. Do you do the jogging? Do you often do the jogging? Oui. Yes. Je fais du jogging. Faire du jogging. I do the jogging. Tous les matins. Tous les matins. I will make some videos related to two, how many twos we have, the differences, everything. Don't worry. Je fais du jogging. I do the jogging. Tous les matins. Tous les matins means every morning. Et vous? And you? Moi, it is something that is called pronom tonic in French language that I will make some separated videos related to pronom tonic. Don't worry about these matters that you see here. Moi, you can say me here. J'en fais pas souvent de jogging. J'en fais pas souvent de jogging. It means that I don't often do the jogging. But there is a note here, guys. In the positive sentence, you see that faire du jogging. It is in the positive sentence. But in the negative one, you see do was converted to do. It is a note. What's the note? The note is that whenever you have un, des, du, and finally de la, whenever you have these articles, un, des, du, de la, in a positive sentence, when you want to make this sentence negative, you must put instead of these de. You must replace these with de. So in this sentence, this sentence is positive. Je fais du jogging. But this sentence is negative. Je ne fais pas de jogging. Par exemple, j'ai un frère. I will give you an example. J'ai un frère. J'ai un frère. J'ai un frère means I have a brother. But suppose that you don't have any brothers and you want to say it. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas. Now you made the sentence negative with no before the conjugated verb and pas after the conjugated verb. You know everything about it. Je n'ai pas de frère. So what happened here? Instead of un in the positive sentence, we put do in the negative sentence, and it is also correct for the other ones like un, de, du, de, la, and here you can have another example. Faire du jogging, j'en fais pas de jogging. I don't often do the jogging, mais je fais beaucoup de sport. Beaucoup de sport, beaucoup de sport, beaucoup de sport. You can hear in the from a native speaker like that. Beaucoup de sport. Je fais beaucoup de sport. Beaucoup de sport means a lot of sport. I do a lot of sport. Je fais du tennis. Faire du tennis, again, play the tennis. Du foot. Faire du foot means play football. Faire du basket, play basketball. So he says, je fais du tennis, du foot, du basket. Vous ne faites pas de tennis par hasard? Vous ne faites pas de tennis par hasard. You see that instead of do tennis, here we have do tennis in the negative sentence, as I said a few minutes ago. Par hasard means occasionally. Don't you play tennis occasionally? Par hasard. Occasionally. See. What does it mean, see here? See, whenever you have a negative question, but your answer is positive, you must say si. For example, I tell you, vous n'êtes pas étudiant? But you are a student and you want to say that I'm a student. Si, it means that yes, of course, I am a student. So, vous ne faites pas de tennis, this is a negative question, but positive answer, we have a positive answer, si. We don't say oui, because the question is negative and the answer is positive, we must say si, as I told you. Je fais du tennis, I play tennis, du squash, du volleyball. J'adore ça, j'adore comes from the infinitive adorer. 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 Sorry. Adorer. Okay, tell me what kind of verb it is. Yes, bravo, it is the first type. The first type of verbs that ends in OR. So it is really easy to conjugate, and I made a video related to this, so you know. J'adore, tu adores, il adore, elle adore, etc. J'adore ça, j'adore ça, j'adore ça, I love it. Et où est-ce que vous faites du tennis? Où? Where? Where do you play tennis? Il y a un club dans le quartier? Is there a club? Il y a means there are. Il y a un club dans le quartier. Is there a club dans le quartier? Quartier means neighborhood. In the neighborhood. Je ne connais pas. Je ne connais pas. Comme ça. Like that. Je ne connais pas. Je suis nouveau ici. I don't know it. It means that I don't know if there is a club here. Je ne connais pas. Je suis nouveau ici. I am new here. Oui, yes. Il y a un club. There is a club. Juste après le parc. Just after the park. Vous prenez la route? Prendre la route. La route means the road. Prendre la route means take the road. You take the road. Là, there, en face, in front of you. Et, and, après, and then, il y a un. It means that when you take the road there in front of you, then il y a une base de loisirs. Loisir, guys, means leisure. Base means base. Base of leisures means it's a place for leisure activities. Il y a une base de loisirs avec un lac. Le lac, or un lac. Lac means lake. Avec un lac, with a lake. Il y a beaucoup d'activités. There are a lot of activities. Avec qui est-ce que vous faites du tennis, pardon? Avec qui est-ce que vous faites du tennis? Who do you play tennis with? Avec qui means who, avec means with who. Who do you play tennis with? Avec un voisin. With a neighbor. Il habite dans la même rue. Habite comes from the infinitive habiter. You know, habiter. I will write for you also habiter. This is also the first type verb ending in or. Il habite, he lives, dans la même rue. Dans la même rue. Même means same. La même rue, in the same street. Dans la même rue, in the same street. He lives in the same street. C'est facile à organiser. It is, facile means easy. It is easy to organize. Organiser, organize. Mais, but, si vous voulez venir, it's a conditional phrase. Si here means if. It's a conditional phrase. But if you want, from the verb vouloir, if you want to come, c'est avec plaisir. C'est avec plaisir means it's my pleasure. On joue tous les samedis. We joue coming from the verb jouer, another verb ending in OR, guys. On joue tous les samedis. We play tous les samedis. I told you tous les matins, every morning. Tous les samedis, every Saturday. And I told you I would make some separated videos related to this nice too. Because it's a little bit complicated. On joue tous les samedis. We play every Saturday, sauf, except, quand il ne fait vraiment pas beau. Quand il, don't say quand il. It's a liaison here, guys. Quand il ne fait vraiment pas beau. Except when the weather is really bad, the weather is not really good. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau means the weather is good. Il ne fait pas beau, the weather is not good. Vraiment, really. Merci. Thanks. C'est gentil. C'est gentil means it's kind of you. Mais, but, le samedi, on Saturday, c'est difficile, it's difficult. Mes enfants font beaucoup de sport aussi. My children do a lot of sports. Too. Aussi means too. Et ils prennent des cours. Don't say courses. Cours. Ils prennent des cours from the verb prendre. It is conjugated for il. Ils prennent des cours ce jour-là. Ce jour-ci, guys. Ce jour. Ce jour means day. Ce jour means this day. Ce jour-ci means this day. Ce jour-là. Ce jour-là means. Ce jour-là means that day. Ce jour-ci, this day. Ce jour-là, that day. For example, ce livre-ci, this book that is near to me. Ce livre-ci, this book. Mais ce livre-là means that book. Ce livre-là means that book, like this. That book. Prendre des cours means take classes. Ils prennent des cours ce jour-là. They take some classes that day. Ma fille fait de la natation. Faire de la natation, guys. Faire de la natation is another sport. Faire de la natation. Faire de la natation. La natation means swimming. Faire de la natation means go swimming. So, ma fille fait de la natation. My daughter or my daughter go swimming, and mon fils fait du judo. Fils means son, and my son does the judo. Dites donc. Donc means alors, means so in English language. Dites donc. Dites comes from the verb dire. Dire means to say. Dire means to say, and here this is the imperative form of the verb dire. Dites. Dites means say. Dites donc, then say. Then say, so say. Vous êtes une famille sportive. You are an athletic family. Sportif and sportive. Sportif for masculin, for male, and sportive for female. Sportif, sportive means athletic. Vous êtes une famille sportive. Par exemple, je suis sportif means I am an athlete or I am an athletic person. Vous êtes une famille sportive. It's an adjective here. You are an athletic family. Have a good time. Bye.